चलिए बच्चों, लास्ट संडे आप लोगों ने एक एग्जाम दिया है सीडीएस का, कंबाइंड डिफेंस सर्विस। आज हम आप लोग आपके सामने उस एग्जाम के मैथ्स के पेपर की सॉल्यूशन की डिस्कशन करेंगे। हम इस सॉल्यूशन का डिस्कशन कुछ इस तरह से करेंगे, बिकॉज आप सभी के पास अलग अलग सेट्स होगा, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन पेपर 4 सेट्स में डिवाइड है, बट द क्वेश्चन सभी में सेम है, बट क्वेश्चंस की नंबरिंग सभी में अलग अलग है। तो हम पूरे के पूरे इस पेपर को, इस एग्जाम को, इस क्वेश्चन पेपर को हम स्लॉट वाइज सॉल्व करेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपके क्वेश्चन पेपर में जितने भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के क्वेश्चंस हैं हम पहले उनको सॉल्व करेंगे, देन अलजेब्रिक, देन मेंसुरेशन, लाइक दैट हम पूरा कंप्लीट पेपर सॉल्व करेंगे। चलिए पहले हम लोग बात करते हैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के कांसेप्ट की। ट्रिग्नोमेट्री वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक इन योर एग्जाम। सबसे पहले मैं आप लोगों को 3 फॉर्मूलों के बारे में बताना चाहता हूं जो आप लोगों की बुक्स में नहीं है, बट आप लोगों को कंसर्न रखना पड़ेगा उन फॉर्मूलों पर, जिन फॉर्मूलों के ऊपर 3 to 4 क्वेश्चंस आप लोगों के एग्जाम में आए हुए हैं। फर्स्ट, sin alpha is equal to cos beta, tan alpha is equal to cot beta, sec alpha is equal to cosec beta। ये सिचुएशन तभी हैंडल होती है तब अल्फा प्लस बीटा दोनों का सम मस्ट बी 90 डिग्री। वी कैन से alpha and beta are complementary angles, alpha and beta are complementary angles। now इस कंसेप्ट पे आप लोगों के एग्जाम में सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है ट्रिगो का। यू हैव cosec 75 डिग्री प्लस थीटा माइनस sec 15 डिग्री माइनस थीटा माइनस tan 55 डिग्री प्लस थीटा प्लस cot 35 degree minus theta। now we can say the sum of these two angles is 90 degree। 75 plus 15 90 degree plus theta minus theta cancel, that means the value of this concern is 0। similarly 55 plus 35 being 90, that means the value of this concept again 0, then your answer is completely 0। then now we have a next question on this concept is if tan 8 theta is equal to cot 2 theta and we need to find the value of tan 5 theta, then how to know? मैं ऑलरेडी आप लोगों को एक कंसेप्ट बता चुका हूं कि tan theta and cot theta is equal when the sum of their angle is 90 degree। that means 8 theta plus 2 theta, it must be 90 degree। that is here tan theta equal to 90 degree, that means we got theta equal to 9 degree, then we need to find the value of tan 5 theta। when you put 9 here you get 9 5 is 45 degree and the tan 45 degree is 1, and now 1 is your answer, and now 1 is your answer। then your next question is on the same concept we have third question of your exam in this quadrant, like sin 25 degree into sin 35 degree sec 65 degree sec 55 degree। now 25 plus 65 is 90 degree, cancel both of them। 35 plus 55 90 degree, cancel both of them, then again your answer is 1, then again your answer is 1। now we have another concept for your exam। question set in a triangle ABC angle B at right angle, and this is the right angle, and the question said cos A equal to 4 by 5. That means for this concern, this is A. We need to take A here at this point and then C here. If cos A equal to 4 by 5, and you know that cos equal to what? Base upon hypotenuse. Take 4 here, take 5 here, and use Pythagoras theorem. That's why we got 3 here. That's why we got 3 here. And one more thing, these values 3, 4, 5 are a single consecutive triplet which can lie on a right triangle. Now, but your question says find the value of sine C. Now, change your triangle with base, put C here and A here. Then AB is 4 and BC is 3, then AC is 5. Now the value of sine C is what? Perpendicular upon base. Then again your answer is what? 4 by 5. You can check with your option and your answer is 4 by 5. Then, now we have another question, some very simple question. Question said cos x plus sec x equal to 2. Find the value of cos raised to power nx plus sec raised to power nx. You don't need to go anywhere. No? This is a very simple question because you know that the value of cos and sec is equal only in 0 degree. Because cos 0 is equal to 1 and sec 0 is also be equal to 1. That means in this case the x must be 0 degree because 1 plus 1 is 2. Then we put x here. Cos 0 is 1. Then 1 raised to power n is 1. Sec 0 is 1. 1 raised to power n is 1. That means here your answer is 2. Then again your answer is 2. Now similarly, we have another question in your exam. Question said if alpha and beta are complementary angle. Look at this question. If alpha and beta are complementary angle, that means you know what is complementary angle? When the sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degree. That is, the question said alpha plus beta equal to 90. This is the same concept which I earlier told. जो मैंने आप लोगों को पहले बताया था, sin equal to cos, tan equal to cot, sec equal to cosec. These things are equal when the sum of their angle must be 90 degree. Remember this concept. It's one of the most important concepts for your trigonometry, which concern for your exam. Now, look at the question. It's a very simple question. The question said cos alpha minus cosec beta minus cos alpha sin beta. Look at this concept. Now, you know that alpha and beta 90. Cancel both of them. Then you got 1 minus cos alpha. Put cos alpha as usual. Can you write sin beta equal to cos alpha? Definitely we can write because alpha plus beta is 90 degree. That's why we put here cos alpha under the root. Then here you know that this is 1 minus cos square alpha under the root. Now your answer is sin alpha. Look at one thing. Cos alpha minus into cosec beta is equal to 1 because alpha plus beta is 90 degree. Similarly, sin alpha into sec beta also be 1 because alpha plus beta 90 degree. Tan alpha into tan beta also be 1 if alpha plus beta 90 degree. Cot alpha into cot beta equal to 1 when alpha plus beta equal to 90 degree. Now we know that alpha beta is 90 degree. That means cos alpha and sin beta both are equal because alpha beta 90 degree. You can put the value and got your answer. Then your answer is sin alpha. Now we have another trigonometric question.